Hi everyone, this is another Erin Condren open box warehouse sale, I believe. And not a lot, but a couple cute things that I wanted to get. And I'm going to try to make this really quick and painless and fun. So this was like an ombre where it goes from like a dark to light silvery pencil pouch type thing. And blue is my favorite color, and I had to have that. So there's a lot of different colors that Erin Condren has, from this new purple one, and I think there's also like a red burgundy like one, and there's also like different rainbow looking ones as well. I think one or two other ones. So if you like these multiple colored bunch of one bag. It's one bag technically, but it's like a bunch of bags sewn together so you can have different little pockets. So I thought that was really cool, and I like that idea. So I had to have one of these. Got this on sale on the warehouse. This is so adorable, this cute little Hello Kitty pen. I'm not gonna open this because it's gonna take a while, but yeah, I wanted to try this out. I'm not the biggest fan of ballpoint pens, but I'm gonna give it a try, and maybe in a future video I'll use this and give you my opinion on how good it writes. And I also just got this extra pencil pouch because I am a Hello Kitty fan, and it's like a silvery, velvety, really pretty zipper pouch. It's tiny, but it's enough to fit a couple pencils and or pens that you want. And it has the cutest little gold Hello Kitty charm there. I'm not sure if it's focusing right, but there we go. You can hopefully see that. So yeah, I got this cute little pencil pouch. And a couple more office supplies. This is correction tape. I wanted to have the smaller sizes because they're easier to fit in these types of pouches where you're on the go. It's better to have a small one than it is to have a big one. So I like having the smaller correction tape. And then I got these little extra things. Now the funny thing is I haven't even gotten an Erin Condren planner or a notebook yet, but I do plan on it soon. I just don't want to buy one yet until I actually need one, because right now I'm in the Happy Planners. And when I do get my Erin Condren notebooks and or planners or both, I got these little snap-ins bookmarkers, and these are also Hello Kitty. I got these daily dots, which are just stickers, and I think because I had purchased so much, I may have actually either gotten these for free or they were just super discounted, but I do think one of these was free. And then also more magnetic bookmarkers, some of my favorite colors. Erin Condren bookmarkers. And then these are also, what do we call these? I forget the color, what they're called, but this is a popular color scheme of the notebooks and planners, so I went ahead and got those to match. I do actually think I do have Erin Condren notebooks. I have like 2 or 3 of them, so I can actually use these already. I completely forgot. So I can use these already, so that's exciting. All right, and then I want to just pick up a few more dots for to-do lists or whatever kind of plotting I'm doing with my writing. These dots are super handy and super colorful and simple, and as you can see here, good for many uses. And then also these color-coded do-it-all dots. These are just some additional stickers that I got. And you hear my little son in the background throwing his toys around. Apparently all the dinosaurs I gave him are now on the floor. Crazy. And guess what? I forgot, because it's been a while of letting this notebook sit here for so long. I actually bought the Erin Condren Hello Kitty notebook, and I just had to have this white foiled gold one, and it was personalized. So there you have my personal name with the Hello Kitty gold coiled. Really love the thickness of this. Oh, that's really, it's like, that's gonna last and hold up really good. So that's really good quality, really thick notebook, and the coil is really thick as well. So yeah, so now I can't, it's kind of like I forgot what I had ordered. It's been so long. I feel like they've been sitting. I know. You want to talk about what I got too on the video? So yeah, I completely forgot. This is like a surprise birthday gift to myself. Yeah. But I'm not celebrating my birthday till August, so early birthday celebrating. So yeah, the inside is basically a dot grid, and it has really cool, colorful Erin Condren logo marks on the corners, and it's just a whole entire dot grid, and it has a little... He's so cute. And it has this little asterisk star stickers in the back, so there you go. Arriving at one goal is the start of another. I don't know what I'm using this for, but I'm going to use it, and I'm going to love every moment of it. And I think that's it for my Erin Condren haul. I love this box. I wish that it didn't get ruined in shipping. I don't know. It's like the boxes are so dang cute, but they have to go through, you know, the stickers and shipping, and sometimes they're completely damaged. In this case, this is in very good shape, but it still has like sticky tape and this label getting ripped off. So unfortunately, there's that, but I'm probably going to repurpose the box anyhow. Maybe just put pretty stickers on the areas or something. I don't know. So that's it, you guys. That's my Erin Condren haul. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I will show you some of the things I'll be using these for in the near future. Talk to you soon.